So now the problem is solved. We have two subatomic particles, one is having negative charge on it, one is having positive charge on it. And same number of proton and electrons are present in the atom. Positively charged particles present in the nucleus and the negatively charged electrons were revolving around the nucleus. So the atom is electrically neutral, right? And we found out the arrangement of electrons and protons in it. But scientists were quick to point out a flaw in this model, this mini solar system model. What was that? As positive and negative charges attract each other, nucleus is positive, electrons in the shells are negative. What prevented the electrons from falling into the nucleus? Why electrons did not get attracted towards the positively charged nucleus? What prevented it? So, Rutherford's model could not explain this stability. Therefore, it also failed. Now, neutrons, another subatomic particles of an atom, discovered. The mass of an atom was in fact considered to be entirely concentrated within the nucleus in the form of protons. Since electrons were rightly thought to have negligible mass, but when it was discovered that a nucleus had a greater mass, more mass than the total mass of electrons, right? So that could not be accounted for by protons alone. That means one more or something else is also there. So it was realized that there must be a third type of subatomic particle also, which was present in the nucleus and had neither positive nor negative charge, because we have already solved that problem of charge. Now the atom is electrically neutral. Same a positive charge is equal to the negative charge, so atom is electrically neutral. That means some particles are also present, but they are not having any charge. So in 1932, James Chadwick discovered this subatomic particle and called it neutron. That means which is having neutral charge, since it had no charge. Its mass was found to be equal to that of proton. That is why nucleus was heavy in there, uh, because it is containing protons as well as neutrons. So this model, before that, let us see the properties of neutron. Mass of neutron is slightly more than that of a proton, right? Electrically, a neutron is neutral, no charge on it. Atom of same element may differ in the number of neutrons, leading to the formation of isotopes. We will talk about isotopes later on. Now let's see the properties of subatomic particle. Three subatomic particles: electron, proton, and neutron. Electron is having negative charge, proton is having positive charge, same positive charge. Neutron is not having any charge. So the symbol for electron is -1, e for electron, 0, right? -1 is showing the charge, 0 is showing the negligible mass. Proton, +1 is showing the charge and 1 is showing mass. 0 and 1, 0 is showing no charge, 1 is showing mass, right? Or simply we can write e to the power minus electron is denoted by e minus, p plus p positive is for proton, and n, simply n, is for neutron because it is not having any charge. Charge on electron is minus 1.602 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Coulomb is the unit of charge. Plus 1 1.602 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulombs for proton and 0 for neutrons. Now atomic mass in grams, that is very small, but in comparison proton and neutron are having equal, almost equal masses, and electron is having very less mass. An atom of hydrogen contains only one proton and one electron but no neutron. So the number of electron and the number of proton in an atom remains same, but number of neutron is different from their number. If proton is 1, so electron will also be 1. But it is not compulsory that the number of neutron is also 1. So the number of neutron vary from the number of electron and proton. Now, as I have told you, the structural stability of an atom, this model did not explain the stability of an atom. It did not it is not telling us why the positive and negative charges attracted each other. What prevented the electrons to fall down into the nucleus? So, how this stability is maintained? How they are so stable? How we have nucleus at the center and electrons are revolving around it. So this was not explained by Rutherford but by Neil and Bohr, who explained the atomic stability.